Are ice vents insoles useful in the wintertime? The answer is a most resounding yes. And the reason is very, very simple. It has to do with one word: evaporation. What? Evaporation in the wintertime? Why do I want that? Simple. Evaporation means removal of moisture. Removal of moisture means dry feet. Dry feet means that you get to maintain a higher state of readiness and you reduce the risk of having issues like cellulitis. For anybody who's ever spent any time in the field, you know that moisture buildup in your socks and your shoes is absolute death. It is a terrible condition and can be absolutely awful to deal with and can frankly take you offline. And the reason why you actually want evaporation is because evaporation removes moisture, which foam has a hard time doing because foam is an insulator and it retains heat and moisture. That is actually kind of what it's designed to do, but you don't really want that with your feet. As a lot of you guys know, ice vents, thanks to the technology, facilitates evaporation on the bottom of your footbed, keeping you dry.